Ni hao, Chinese Pod, it's me, Grace Wong, and I want to take you through the vocabulary manager. So let's start with a lesson revolving around my favorite topic, food. And the lesson that I picked is fussy eater. This one's for you if you are one, or if you have a friend who is one. So when you get to the fussy eater lesson, I'm going to scroll down here and you're going to see comments, dialogue, and then vocabulary. So go to the vocabulary section. You're going to automatically see that everything on the left side, all these little boxes are already filled in. So scroll all the way down, and now we see select all or none. So we want all of them because we want to learn all of the words in this lesson. Now, after that, you are going to go to the tools at the top, and then you're going to select vocabulary. And here we have our vocabulary manager. Here are our vocabulary words that we just saved from the lesson fussy eater. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of them, and I want to add or remove them from a deck. So I'm going to move them to a new deck. This way we can title it. You can have them all together if you want, but I like to section mine off. So either by lesson, by topic, or level. So I'm going to move this to a new deck. The new deck name is going to be fussy eater. All right, so here we have, right here you can see that it says fussy eater. Now, to do more with our vocabulary manager, we are going to use it in flashcards. So in our flashcard section, when it says first show, you get to decide what you want to see first. Do you want to see Hanzi? Do you want to see the characters? Do you want to see pinyin? Do you want to see the Hanzi with audio? Or do you want to see English?
砂锅,砂锅.
Now we have to decide what does that mean, and we click, and then we're able to see if we understood the meaning. I am an avid flashcard user in all topics and all areas of my school life. So I love that we have this on the go wherever you are. Each and every lesson that you're studying, you are able to automatically save all of these to a deck or make one giant deck and just constantly be refreshing yourself wherever you are, wherever you're sitting. Use our vocabulary manager and use our flashcards. 再见!